Hi guys, ang tricks natin ngayon guys ay farm to floor. Farm is 3 moves and the answer is 119. Pero bago ang sagot guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang produkto ng maliit na farm namin na dinaanan ng El Nino. Guys, this is creativity guys. Dahil sa El Nino, wala gaanong produkto ang mangga. Okay, original to guys. This is creativity. Wala, mahina ang mangga ngayon at ibang prutas. May pahabol pa sa farm to floor. Konti lang. Ito. Original to guys. From farm to floor. Okay. Okay guys. First move tayo. Second move natin guys. And the last move guys, positive 119. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time. God bless and bye bye.